Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your personal details in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. Once that is done, you can just press on personal details. And here you can just edit your personal details such as your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and after that you can just simply leave the page. So for example, I'm going to change my name there. You press save before leaving the page, and after that you can just simply leave the page, and any change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.